Hey, what's up everybody? This is Noah Davidson with Force One Fitness. This is the Prehab circuit that you want to be doing either after your strength training or cardio sessions. Each of these exercises targets one of the smaller, more injury-prone muscles of the body. I've got my sister Hannah demoing for me again. Let's go ahead and get started. The first exercise is an external shoulder rotation. You can do this either with a band or with a cable machine. I see a lot of people doing it with dumbbell, but that is completely ineffective. The angle of resistance on a dumbbell or any free weight is always going to be straight down. And for this one, the angle of resistance needs to be horizontal. Basically, you are just going to paste your upper arm to your upper body and then rotate that shoulder in and out. Take this nice, slow, controlled movement. You want to go for 10 to 20 reps until you feel a good burn in the target muscle. You're not going to take these to failure or fatigue like your strength training exercises. Just until you feel a good burn in that muscle. Awesome. Next exercise is going to be a stiff leg deadlift. You want to use a very light weight. You can either use a light barbell, some light dumbbells, or even a broomstick if that's all you have. For this one, basically you're just going to be lowering that weight down, keeping it nice and close to your body. Go as low as you can, rounding the back on the way down. It's pretty much the only time you're going to round your back is during this exercise. Nice and slow on the way down, rounding the back, and then on the way up, you'll feel those lower back muscles pulling the body back into a standing position. Keep that bar nice and close to you. Just like the shoulder rotation, 10 to 20 reps until you feel a good burn in those lower back muscles. It's okay to put a little bend in the knee. Just do what allows you to get the biggest range of motion and allows you to feel it the most in the lower back. Next is another shoulder rotation. This time it's going to be an internal shoulder rotation. You're much stronger internally than externally, so you're going to want to step out a bit further so that you have more tension, or even use a different colored band if the differential is great enough between your internal and your external rotation. The movement itself is the exact same. You're going to paste your upper arm to your upper body and then rotate it in and out. Focus on slow, controlled movement, big range of motion. Rotate that shoulder through its full range. Awesome. 10 to 20 until you feel a good burn in that rotator cuff. And then the next exercise is a front calf raise. This targets the anterior tibialis, or the small muscle that runs along the front of the shins. This is a really important one for people who get shin splints. This exercise will strengthen that muscle and prevent you from feeling that pain that you might get during your running or jogging. We're set up on a ball and a weight plate. That weight plate is acting as a ledge to get a bit of extra range of motion. You can do this on a chair with your feet flat on the ground though, if that's what you have. Very simple movement. You just want to keep your heels down and pull the top of the foot up to the ceiling. After just a few of them, you'll feel that muscle working. Very small and often neglected muscle. For this one, you're going to get 15 to 30 reps. Again, until you feel a good burn. After that, you can go through the circuit one more time if you have the time, but one round is sufficient. So 1 or 2 rounds based on how much time you have. Alright, good job.